Hey guys, I'm putting together right now my DLL assignment in Google Classroom. So I'm like, hey, I'll make a video about it because that's what all the hip kids are doing. So here we are. We're in my Google Classroom. I've changed the name of my Google Class for summer. I'm just going to be operating out of one of them, and I changed it to 2020 KHS Functional Academics Extended School Year, just because I thought that would be more useful to my students and parents versus whatever Learn for Life had established. It will not impact anything when it comes to students being able to access stuff like that. So you can do that if you want to, or you can keep it the same. It's all cool. If you want to change it, you just go right here, that little gear that was up there, and then boom, class details. Change it to whatever you want to. You can change it to Mr. Bentley's totally hip summer school class for children that like learning and cookies, but that would be awkward if you change it to that. So we're making an assignment. It's pretty standard stuff. Head over to classwork. We're going to create assignment. Title this. I'm going to title mine Do This. Well, let's do this. Complete this first dash DLL student log. Alright, so that should hopefully get my parents and students' attention. Instructions, please complete these logs as soon as possible before first week ends. They will act as attendance logs for summer school. Yeah, that's kind of simplifies what they do, but that gets the point across, and hopefully that will be motivating. Okay, so you can click on graded if you want to. Let's set it due to that Friday the 3rd, and I'm going to create a topic. So this topic, I'm going to call it student logs. So student logs. That's what it'll show up as in the classroom settings. Okay, so we've got it. We've got this thing kind of laid out there. We can always adjust this later on if we need to. But let's go to put these logs in. Now I have already moved the logs over into a folder on my own computer or on my own Google Drive. That's just because I don't like to be tethered to other people. I'm an independent person. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. But I logged into the teacher folder that Learn for Life has shared with us. I clicked on each of the Excel versions of the DLLs because you need to use the Excel ones versus the PDFs to have your students log in. Just in case that a student doesn't have something that allows them to log into a PDF and edit it on their computer, they will be able to use the Excel ones. So I put mine in this folder I made called 2020 Summer School, DLLs, and here they are. So you have DLL 29 for the week of 7/6, week of 7/13. So I don't know if it makes a difference, but I like to click things in the order I like to have them. So I click on this one because I want this one to show up first. I hold down the control button, and I'm going to click on these other ones individually. And maybe this makes them line up the way that I want them to. I don't know. Just whenever I did this last time, it popped out in the way I wanted them to. DLL 629, 7/6, la la la, all the way down. Very cool. All right, so here's the thing that's important to do. So over here where it says student can view file, got to change that to make a copy for each student. Make a copy for each student. Make a copy for each student, and make a copy for each student. Okay, so I've got this set up mostly how I like it. I don't know, I might adjust some of the wording later on, but this should be good enough for right now. Complete complete this first. Okay. Please complete these logs as soon as possible before first week ends. We will act as attendance for summer school and ensure you get credit for the class. Okay, maybe here's a little bit more motivational things. So I am going to, because this doesn't pop out till next week, I don't want to have it assigned before then, because then they might get an email, assuming that they check their email, and then they might think, what? I'm not in summer school yet. So it automatically set it up to June 29th, the next Monday at 8 a.m. That sounds reasonable. So I'm going to schedule that. All right. So now in my classwork area, I've got under the heading Student Logs, complete this first DLL student logs. Sweet. All right. So what they will do, they will click on this, and then they'll open this up. Boom. Okay. Now I'm going to make a video that I'm going to, I'll share it. I'll make a YouTube video out of it, and then I'll give you guys the link. You can embed the link into this part right here. Please complete these logs. I'll put a little thing after this that says, here is a video showing how to access and complete the logs. It will be done in my Google Classroom because it's fine. So you might have to tell them like don't try and find a classroom that says 2020 Bentley. Look for whatever the name of your classroom is. And if you set it up like this, then all the rest of that will fall into place, and then it should be able to help your students / parents to be able to get all this done, and then they'll have that to look back to. Okay. That, just because we're here, we'll have a little fun showing you how you would add that later on. So if I wanted to adjust this, 3 dots here, come down to the edit, boom, back in here. I'm going to type in something. I'm going to open the placeholder for link. Okay. So when I come back, I will drop in the link to the YouTube video that I'm going to make, put it right in there, and then you just drop that in there, and then your parents and students will see that. Come back up here to schedule, boom, and it's back in there and it's ready to roll. Okay. So I'll try and put up a video too that has to do with logging into Google Classroom, just because it's a good refresher for our students. I'm going to use Rodney's account. It's always nice to have your kid who attends the school district so that you can just steal their student account and do whatever you want to with it. So, all right, guys, cool beans.